Hi, I'm Bodil Agasøster, and I'm here to tell you about some interesting data for researchers and policymakers that have been gathered and made ready for analysis and published as part of the Infra4NextGen's EU project. I work for Sikt, which is the national service provider for research and education in Norway. We're experts on data infrastructure and data management, and we are the data archive and dissemination partner of the European Social Survey, all of the 30 countries. Together with the other partners in the ESS infrastructure, we have now made available panel data from 11 ESS countries. So what data? The series is called CRONOS for the methodology we're using, Cross-National Online Survey. The data based on questions to citizens on their attitudes, values, and behaviors relating to the themes of the Next Generation EU Recovery Plan of digital, equal, green, healthy, and strong. And the respondents are recruited from the European Social Survey. So where and how can you get the data? You can get it from the project website, or you can go to the ESS data portal. It is organized by the wave of the panel, or you can have it by the next gen topic or by country. Online, you can browse the data, you can analyze it, and you can publish your figures, or you can download it with our API for further analysis. Why don't you try our data? The next steps for us now is to monitor the use, to promote the use, and to ensure that the service is as user-friendly as possible.